Hello my friends, my name is Catalina and I like to cook for my family because it's the end of the fall and the markets are full with all kind of pumpkins and squashes. I decided to try today a pumpkin pastry. The main ingredients are this: puff pastry sheets and the butternut squash. So follow me in the kitchen and I will demonstrate for you this easy recipe. So let's get started. I already cut some pumpkin. I'll continue to do this so you can see what I'm doing. So we need to peel the squash. I keep saying pumpkin, but this is squash. This pumpkin slash squash has very little seeds, so we're gonna remove this. You can save the seeds and put them in the garden when spring comes. If you don't have a machine like this, you can use the grater, but it takes a long time and you need to watch for your fingers. So you can do this for half an hour, or you can do just this. Any food processor has a shredding feature, so they're not expensive and they're very good in the kitchen, very useful. So now we're gonna cook this a little bit on the stove. Now we let it cool until it's at the room temperature.